me at this time? Do you want him to start suspecting me? Please, I'll talk to you later. Or better still, I'll see you later, okay?
Ada?
Papa?
Give me spanner 10.
Okay, Papa.
Please go and check if there's water in that radiator.
Okay, Papa.
Papa! Papa!
What is it?
It's Mama. Oh, I don't know. The illness is not getting any better. So I don't even know how she's feeling right now.
What is the actual problem now? Is it temperature?
Papa, it's not good.
Amara, what are you doing here?
That is Mama.
My mother?
Yes, now.
What's wrong with her?
I can't even explain. Papa, let's go, let's go.
Okay, Ada, don't worry. It's clear it's emergency. So let me go and attend to her.
Papa, no, let me come with you.
No. Who will take care of her? Please, man here, let me go and man.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, let's go.
Okay, Papa.
I'll be right back.
Okay, Papa.
Let go.
Nami dey here. Nami.
Hey,
Their father. For here. Hey.
Is the meaning of this madness?
Give me that spanner. Where is that spanner?
I said, which spanner? Will you shut up? Shut up and stand here. Stand when I'm talking. You don't walk out on me.
Thank you, ma.
Have you lost it?
No, ma.
Are you insane?
No, yes, ma.
Shut up! Shut up!
Bro, you lose tire now. Lose tire.
hurry up now.
Fire you lose which tire? I think you want them to say make I lose tire.
Which one them to come on? Will you come out of that place?
Madam, we are working.
And since when has my workshop turned into a disco hall? Can someone talk to me?
You lose tire now. Lose tire.
I said someone should answer my question before I sack out of the Talk to me. Which tire? Come on, please stand up from there. Which tire?
You know, say I be good people. I want those people, but they will never listen. Madam, no first, I don't talk.
Then start talking.
Ma talk now, you say so. Madam, the thing say. Today rugged though, I swear.
I don't like this one. I want that
As in, today get a CV. Guy, what's up now? What's in the happen?
Mommy, I don't get joy.
You just quiet today, or like you?
No, I beg free am. Person wey in life dey like this today, you want make you get joy, you no get any.
Last na woman and breast. Breast and nyash to kill you.
As I dey bored like this, I just dey find one small, I will get big breast. You just put for my mouth, just put breast for my mouth.
Every time
Make I just dey.
Nyash. Nonsense. Now you dey talk.
If I don't go talk nyash, breast, wetin I go talk? I be homo. Wetin dey worry you?
Every time breast, you dey craze. Breast, nyash.
You too like breast. Hope say no be my breast. Hope say no be my breast. You dey look the yarn that thing wey you dey yarn.
If no be woman.
Where good luck come. Senior bra. I get you.
Welcome.
Sorry, I want to have my car.
That thing don't bite you.
Bite me, just let me check.
Okay?
Yeah, behind.
Down.
Go, just go down.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you feel better now?
I'm okay. I want to have my car fixed.
Wait, thing they do?
It's making a funny sound from the engine.
Oh, okay, he can do
sound,
it. Yeah.
sound.
You know, yeah, now.
Na gearbox they do. You know, say when gearbox got the gear deck like this, you got the jack like this.
Don't worry, I can run it.
Na the
Yes.
gasket.
Give me spanner.
Are you girls the ones to handle it?
Yeah.
Biro, may you run am.
Biro run am. Biro enter.
Put your bonnet first.
Biro, do run the thing sharp.
Respect yourself.
Okay, yeah. The gasket don't get a deck. They give a medicine I go well.
Oh, well, yeah.
Hurry! Oga, wait. You know, say this thing, Oga, I try this kind of thing, say walk your car, come to Caponiash like this. Pay. The car go well.
Oh,
Yes.
I will always bring my car here.
I know. You get come with your friends.
I like your service.
You want to trick it?
It's the best service you can
Trick
get.
it small, feed the way they are doing.
Try.
Easy or no wound.
Right.
Not
Right.
small,
You
not
don't get
small. And then like
Yes.
that.
Did you feel it?
I know.
Strong, go. This one too strong.
Did they enter, B?
I will always bring my service
Walu Jama.
here. Yeah, thank you.
The work they go Abi.
Yeah, I think so.
And they see I'm all over your body.
Oh, no, they say any.
That you no go package yourself small. No say you
Wait,
do your
nah, make person chop bread. We say
customer
walk
day.
you.
Bobo, wetin dey do am?
I hope you're okay, right?
Yes, very
Yeah,
well.
he's okay.
Senior bra. Start your car.
No be like say.
Come on,
Nah,
Mr. Man,
nah.
do some more work there now. That was so quick.
Na him be say you no know this guy. Piroski. Pirororo. Na him be losing and tightening. Na since tell you say you don finish, forget am.
I
Na the
just
matter.
tire.
It's ready, eh?
Oga, see, make I tell you.
Oga,
see, make I
focus,
tell
test
you.
your motor.
Na me be fresh Piro omo nwa.
You don't
Piro,
do.
I dey tight, dey
I beg
loose.
your
As I
friends
tell you,
do.
say your car don good, you don good.
Oga, focus, start this motor.
They don carry breast.
Baby, let's go. So
I still
let's go.
dance.
Let's go and test it together.
Bear with
Okay.
Now, in baby, now wait till I walk for you.
Bear with.
Start your motor. No, they call out to you. No.
See they call am
They
baby.
confused. He's confused. Start your motor. abeg.
Oga, never. Starter. Confirm. You dey feel am? You dey feel am now,
I
abi?
tell you now.
Oya, off am. Oya, tender the rubbers fast.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Oh, you know, before you were confused because it's 1 or 2 no.
You're a big boy.
Yeah, thank you. So, how much is it?
Tell us something.
Na my small madam go tell you.
Could be small, madam.
You no be small madam before. I be teaching her by nyash.
What did they do
You leave packaging collect.
It's just 60,000 naira.
Na small money o. Na gentleman, na small money. Na
We
small
can
money.
pay for it.
You leave and Kwanu na make you collect something. Bring
It's
money.
okay. I'll get you the money.
Yeah, bring it, sir. I know na small money. He's a gentleman. He's a gentleman. No the.
Yeah, no.
You live with this man. Na make him bring money.
Okay, here's 100,000 naira.
Sir?
Yes. 60,000 for the repairs and then 40,000 for the girls.
Sisimion. Pa. Param. Only you na you. You're a gentleman.
Yes. Thank you for the work and
Anytime.
services.
Leave this man. Okay, you can go, sir. You can go, sir.
Carry your Jonathan cap.
Very okay. I like the kind customer.
You have an appointment.
What you see your baby now?
But this your tire. We need to later. I go come home straight the sharp. Tomorrow the sharp.
Okay.
The sharp. You don't
I
need
love you.
If you
Bye.
check again, when you come back here,
you carry your big body come with that.
I wish you happy checking.
Sisimion. Pa. Only you collect am.
You love me.
Watch your back.
And was that why you people want to pull down my workshop?
I tell them, oh, madam.
Eh? So where is the money? Where is the money?
I have it.
Submit it immediately. Submit now. Which
You submit money now. They work. Submit money will not be your own. You hold and tight.
Madam, but we supposed to get our own cut now.
You lack respect.
She doesn't have no vex.
I said you should submit the money now.
Hey, what's the problem?
You know the
I said you should submit the money.
You submit money when not your own now. Eh?
Is this all the money?
Yes, it's the money.
Which one do you have with you?
Check
No, not seeing it.
And you? I hope you don't have any money you're hiding.
I know if you try that nonsense, I did very loyal.
You cannot be greater than your boss.
I know, ma.
You people know exactly how we run things here.
Yes, ma'am.
Later I will sort you out.
God bless you, ma.
I'm talking and you're drinking. Come on, will you drop that drink? Drop it.
You don't get respect.
Look at him.
Don't get respect.
And you shut up. I didn't ask you to talk.
Sorry.
You know you are the only one I can trust. A little.
Madam, you say?
You, I am not talking to. Shut up.
Under fire.
How will you shut up? So tell me, is this all the money?
Madam, that one not my department. Now they home money. I don't get anything to do. My own, I just lose. Clear engine.
And what is that 500 naira doing there?
I talk her. Only God know. I talk.
I said, what is the money doing
Then
there?
they spray money breeze.
Give it to me.
See, when I no go fit put me into trouble. God knows that my hand declare.
Oh,
Even I said that customer change, you.
customers change.
Yes.
You know what? Can you hands up for me?
Eh?
I said you should hands up.
Ma?
Are you insane? I said you should hands up.
I
I know you can't steal my money.
Ma?
I know you can't steal my money. I know. I trust you, but son. What? Why did you lie to me? Why do you have to lie to me?
Who put this money for my pocket?
Will you shut up? Criminals! That's the people I'm training. Idiots! You people know how we run things here. I will sort you out later. I hope you don't have any other money anywhere. No. Look at them. Let me have that drink. Let me have it. Give it to me.
Give her the drink.
Madam, do good. Madam, do good.
Madam the madam.
You're fresh.
Madam the madam on top my drink.
I can't spray money like so I don't collect.
I see how the
Madam, come on. Another money.
I dey crazy.
Sweetheart. Okay, let's go. I'm set.
I don't feel like going out again.
Why?
I have changing plans. I've already changed my mind.
But babe, I'm your woman. Whatever it is, you should be able to tell me.
There is nothing to share.
Babe, please talk to me. What is it?
There's nothing wrong. I'll be fine, okay?
Okay. So then I will have to go out now. Okay?
Where are you going to?
I want to go pick up a way bill. I'll be right back. Okay?
You think I'm a fool? I pity you.
Are you still in this condition? No. You're running temperature. What of your drugs? Have you finished them? Are they still there?
The one you gave me last night was the last one.
The last one?
I finished them yesterday.
Oh. We have to get more. We have to get more. Take this. Go to the chemist. Tell him to give you more drugs. Usual drug.
Okay.
We need more.
Amara, please. Nah.
Eh?
I don't want to continue taking the usual drugs that you normally buy for me. I am tired of them. You have been giving me drugs and it's not yielding any positive results. Take me to the hospital and let them treat me. Let them check to know what is wrong with me and give me the right drugs. I am tired now. Or do you want me to die?
Hey! Adaka na monkey wali ike molo tie makunishi. Eh? That will mean getting more money to go and buy more drugs.
Even if it's more money, get more money. I'm tired.
Okay, just give me time.
Take me to the hospital.
I will do.
Tired.
My darling, I will do. Okay, let me go to the house and pick more money. Oh, just hang on.
Hey, who there? Good morning.
How may I help you?
My car break down. You know Greece start.
Where is the place? I hope it's not far from here.
No far. Nah, just for front here, I beg.
Okay, wait, may I bring my tools?
I beg, make them fast, I beg. I'll let it go up.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
What did they do before? What did you talk before?
You know green starts and the leg, that right leg. They do kaka, they do one.
They do kaka.
Yeah.
That leg?
Yes.
That one?
Yes.
Man.
My darling.
I'll do anything for you, Charity. You know why? Because I love you so much.
Oh, I love you too.
That reminds me, I don't know, how would coming to spend a weekend with me look like? I mean, having me in that house without you?
I know, sweetheart, but you know, the weekends here is usually so busy for me. You know, weekends we do a whole lot of work here. And leaving this workshop might make my madam to sack me.
Sack who? Sack who?
Me.
Who cares? Sack you for, come on. That will be fine by me. You know why? I'll fix you up. Set something more lucrative than what you're doing now.
Guy, you see this kind man, eh? All these kind men who know they fit give their wife money. See, they fool himself here.
Just saying don't marry.
I the reason. So na sugar daddy now. If you look at it, you know say he don't old for sugar daddy work.
No we are ringing now.
Now so they come out now. They come out ring. So I'm na guru for sugar daddy.
Madam, God bless you, I beg.
It's
God
okay.
bless you.
It's nothing. But try and change that your shock, eh?
Okay, now shock they do them before.
Shock they do.
I suspect them.
Yes.
Okay, how much I can give you now?
Okay, I don't go to charge you anything. Just give me what you have.
I know to get money, but make I just help me manage this one, I think. Okay, God bless you.
It's okay.
Thank you, Thank God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Take care. Yeah. Bye-bye. Easier said than done.
Come on. You know me. You know my capabilities. My word is my bond. Trust me.
Talking about that, I told you that my house rent has expired. And you haven't even said anything.
My bad. My bad. It escaped my memory. However, I'll fix it right now.
Whoa.
Right now.
Whoa.
Like right now.
Okay. Thank you. Chai! See love nah. Love sweeter. Hey.
Wait. Na kiss I been waiting be this one. Hey, this girl no get home training. You see this chacha, eh? Why not they look each other like that? Can't see what they see for years. This girl just kiss her boyfriend and here. She don't get sense.
Wetin concern you? You know go find your own bobo make you dey kiss am too. Wetin concern you?
Try. I go love oh. Love sweet. I
I beg. No, allow the poor girl enjoy her life. And they enjoy themselves. No be them do some people. Jealousy. Kill you too.
They don't get home training. They that side they kiss anyhow. You say me they I go love oh. If they leave you, go call the kiss like this.
You wey me know. If you see person, you go even fuck am for outside.
I go love oh. I go love.
Yes,
oh. We go love.
I don't get home training.
Where is Ada? Where is Ada? This girl I left and told her to take care of this place. Ada! Where are you, Ada?
Papa.
Where did you go to?
Papa, you're back.
I'm back.
How is Mama feeling?
It's not getting better, but something will be done about that one later. Eh?
Papa, a man came here when you left and said his car broke down by the roadside, so I had to go and fix it for him. When I finished, he gave me 2,000 naira.
Wait, you went and fixed the car for the man?
Yes, Papa.
And got 2,000 naira?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, have you that improved? I'm happy. Papa, give me a hug. This is good news.
Thank you, Papa.
Keep it up.
Thank
Keep
you,
it up.
Papa. Thank you.
Okay, let's round up here and then to go home and take care of your mother. She can't be left alone. I don't understand the way this situation is going.
But Papa, what did the doctor say?
Doctor emphasized just on bringing more money, that the much we have done cannot take care of the situation. So we'll work out on that money thing because that's where the step is now.
Papa, we will get the money.
Please.
Nothing must happen to Mama.
Nothing should.
We'll get the money.
Because.
Yes, Papa. Let's finish up so we can see her. We can see her.
Check your account balance. I transferred 500,000 naira to you for your rent.
No. No! You joking?
Trust me.
You are joking.
I'll do anything for you.
It's true!
Yeah.
It's true! Thank you! Oh my God, thank you!
500. Oh my God.
Oh
my God. 500,000. Like I'm freaking out.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
I have other engagements to catch up with. So I'll be on my way. You're happy now?
I'm happy.
You're cool
yes,
now?
Yes.
Guy. 500,000. Hey. See, my next word, I could be woman. 500,000 for Panyo.
I will still go chop with the
You gotta respect yourself.
Okay, I'll have to be on my way.
You have to be on your way.
Yeah, I will. I have to be on my way. I'm missing so. All right, now. Take care of yourself.
Yes,
sure,
yes. Bye.
All right, then. Take care.
Yeah, I will.
All right.
My God! My God, it's so. I be.
Guess what, guys? All this excitement on your face.
Nah, Obulu guessing there. Guy, in the mechanic, that's guessing. I no guessing. Go straight to the point. What here goes your sim guessing? Yes, you too like I'm a boy.
Okay. Steve-O just transferred 500,000 into my account. Hey God!
Hey!
You mean say my house rent wahala is over? Hey!
My breast.
I want this. Oh Jesus! Hey, this one choke.
My left breast gonna heavy me.
What's the worry this one?
Forget them. Let's share on your excitement.
I not go.
Hey, go there.
I beg you go sit down.
Come on, my God.
That's it. That's what's up.
Babe, so where will you take us to celebrate
Yes,
this? We obviously need to celebrate this.
Yes, now.
Of course now. That one a show banker now.
Tell us.
Hey, we go chill out this night.
He choked.
Hey.
Di mama.
Your mama. Oh. Hey, the time you're bringing this food is apt. That's when the hunger has hit me bad. I'll get the kind of cover.
I didn't know you.
That woman. It has an aroma, wonderful aroma. Hey, what I predicted is happening. Hey, if the kids way of old,
I didn't know you. When I was making this food, I had you in my heart. I was singing. Everybody, mama, name Munobi.
Hey,
now,
them,
have you been under the sun since all day?
What? Do I have a choice?
So sorry.
For your sake.
Yeah, I'll make salad with you. I want my husband to be eating.
Papa, good evening.
Good evening,
my daughters. How are you? Good evening.
They're fine.
How are all of you?
They're fine. They're fine.
Did you get the money I told you to get for me?
Oh, I almost forgot. Yes, Papa.
Can you look at your friend?
I said the money.
Your friend?
Don't buy that, Papa.
I trust you. I don't have to count this. I don't have to count it.
When it comes to my money, my husband
Okay. Hold it for me.
Okay.
Hold it for me. I trust you won't tamper with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the one that holds everything now.
Papa? Papa, what is it?
What is it? What is it? Is it the food? Can't get what? Ogini.
You know, I was just joking.
Joe, I hope it's not because I tied your money in my head.
Papa, you're so funny.
Can you imagine?
Papa? Oh, Papa? Papa?
Oh, okay.
Your food is ready. Come and eat.
Ready?
Yes, food is ready, Papa.
All right.
Papa, is everything all right?
Let's not go into that there. I'll join you. I'll join you.
Okay, Papa. Sorry. I'll connect now. Why is her number not connecting anymore? What happened?
Today bad, Sha. You be like say we go enter streets, go hustle customers, come.
I even think know wetin dey my mind.
You know, guys, you won't be. Now, what we go do? Because before you know it now, Madam Do Good go come back, be the para for everybody here.
All of una door. You see, you guys, una just dey do like a burner for this mechanical shop. Yes, now. See, make I tell you. Normally, una suppose use wetin una get. Give us wetin dey find now.
Shut up! Shut up! You know go outside, go hustle customers, carry them come now. Only waiting in the shop you want.
My friend, keep quiet. I talk to you. Eh? Now you be the only girl waiting for this workshop. And they ask you, let's say they craze. You don't tell where they reason your matter. You see how she did like this. Don't tell where they reason your matter. Bobo, your shoulder part, get weight. Me. She dey give.
She
don't be my spec. She don't get breast. She don't get nyash. So that's I won't use that one.
Anybody talk? As you were one like this, which girl want like you?
Hey, touch your mustache.
As you one like this.
Fine boy like me, sweet boy. Glucose home. Tell her something.
Go jam with mom. Your pocket fine.
I beg.
Your pocket fine.
Hey. My pocket no fine today, go fine tomorrow. Normally.
You don't do.
Hey,
as you my dad don't tell us say you don't. I beg you don't do. Make we not forget what we want to do. You don't do. Be cool.
Let me try it again. It's ringing. It's ringing.
Now wow.
Zaza, your phone just ring. You know one pick your call? Pick your call, oh. You don't know whether na short time then they call you.
My mind no dey
there. If they break, you will get up.
I dey come abeg, ma answer my call.
Call.
Let's get to the show herself.
She dey lucky now, I'll full time.
What's up with her now? Every time she go just show herself.
Thank you.
What's happen? Every time she go just a busy body.
Wait first, ma understand something. Person phone dey ring. How you come dey prepare you?
Hello? Who is this?
Hello? Charity, it's me. Don't you have my number anymore? It's Ada from the village.
Ada? It's you?
It's me. I'm surprised you're asking who is this. You don't have my line anymore. I don't understand.
No, I'm sorry, Ada. Actually, I lost my phone and I just did a welcome back yesterday. That was what happened. How are you?
My dear, all is not well, oh. All is not well.
All is not well? What is going on?
It's my mother. She has been sick. And the little money I saved, we've been spending it on her medication. Right now, I need more money. I don't know what to do.
Oh, Ada, I'm sorry about your mother. How much are we looking at?
The doctor said this is going to cost another 50,000 naira. 50,000! Hey, where will I get that kind of money from? No, we just make small money from this our mechanic business. I don't know. Anything you can send to me, I'll really appreciate. Let me add to the little I have already. Please.
Okay, don't worry. I will see what I can do, okay? And I'll be coming to the village next week. So when I come, we'll have to sit down and talk.
Thank you so much. God will really bless you for me. Thank you. I will see you when you come back. Thank you. Take care of yourself, oh.
That's all right. Okay, then I have to go back to work. All right?
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
If I dey enter your eye, close am.
Whose eye they enter?
Shift now. Or you want me to sit on your body?
Tata, wait oh. Like this call where they make sense.
It concern you. May I rush my call come out?
Ha!
You dey jealous my call.
Normally, daybreak call dey always stay very brief.
My own no dey brief. My own dey long. Why you dey monitor am?
Love it. Your baby no dey.
Senior bra.
Yeah.
Let's see into your car again.
Welcome on.
Yeah, thank you.
You don't go okay the straightening of the wheel.
Actually nothing happened to the car. I just came to see if we
Stevie, I'm here, my lord.
Okay, that's who you was that go straight for.
My baby.
There's nothing wrong with the car. I just came to see if we could talk.
See me. Me.
If we could talk.
I know.
Yeah.
So, okay. So, what do you want? Like?
So, I was thinking if we can actually have, let's say, like a fling.
No yawa, anything for you. Just tell us how you want it.
Let me say your money long.
Yeah, don't worry.
You don't get problem. You don't have any problem. Wow.
Fling. Enjoy. Senior bros. I don't know this fling way talk. I don't know whether he will follow. Guy mama on that one too.
The girls
Okay, there's no problem, eh? Just choose. Who do you want? You want her? Just choose anyone you want. Any person.
Okay.
Baby, me, right? I know.
I think I would want 2 for now.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Who are
so I am picking her.
Number one.
And then she.
Oh,
Yes, she got it. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Oh.
You want to do too.
I like it double.
The body long way.
She can even join you guys.
Let me do 2 this time.
Oh.
Bros, I beg. They go lose your kamba. Ndi aga talk kamba. They go lose your kamba bushy.
Senior bra, but wetin man do man na? Or how you go come here, choose girls where you won't go enjoy, come lose guide me and my nigga. We want me to fling us too, we enjoy.
Don't worry. Before them go lose your kamba bushy, just do.
Don't worry, my baby have money.
Yes, man.
My baby,
I know he's always a gentleman. He's a gentleman.
My baby, I too love you.
Okay, just have it.
We see the
For the boys.
I too love you.
I see the service your mother. Change your oil.
Here we are.
I see the service your mother.
Let's Fasha.
Yeah. I knew you would love it here. So, shall we proceed?
Money for hand, back for ground. We shouldn't be talking about this now.
Yeah, money's not a problem. Meanwhile, I am suggesting we go down to the bar, have some drinks, and then we'll come back for business.
Mba, Oga, you see this one? I know this. Ba. Me, we chop better abacha. If you eat that abacha, I swear to God, Oga, you gonna thank me later. Abacha where they make person they speak fune. Abacha no be here. I chop am. I no come here, come eat or drink. I'm not hungry. Just give me the money. How you see am, my girl? Money will come here, come collect. And I say, Gary, we will resemble you people where they hungry.
You seem to like money so much.
Oga, don't go there. My name is supposed to be Monica. But my mother gave me love it. Me that don't have heart to love. But let me be managing it. Just give us the thing. Give us. Money makes me wet. Even fear now. Thank you.
It's alright. You know what? Money has never been my problem.
What pretend and bring it out. Okay, fair. I'm gonna know. Money. My I brought one to recover that on my head. Let me secure my even for workshop, I they make more than this. If you are doing like this, we will not argue.
So can we go out for a drink now?
No. Anyway, you said let's go. But I think we should get to business. Because there's no time, Money makes me wet. I'm wet already. Baby, I got you.
I trust you. I know.
So where is Lovett and Tasha? I've not seen them since morning.
Then go outside walk. Who's on the alley?
With who?
You get one senior bra, one sweet bubble will come here. But that guy hold inside. You hold inside where? Get money.
I don't care if he's rich or not. The only thing I want to know is if they discuss about the terms and conditions before leaving this place.
Madam, you can't talk like say you don't know your guests again. Them be old show for this business. Then discuss.
Fine, it's alright, that's fine. And the car, have you fixed the camber bushy and the linkage I asked you to change?
This car?
Have you done that?
This car why I don't work since. I don't work this car for against I don't even wait me they come out for here.
That means you're done. You need to get busy. Look at that mess this day. You need to lose the gearbox. Drop it. I need you to drop it so we can change it. How is that your business? And you are just here doing nothing. Huh?
Madam, now you say make her dey check everywhere if you know there.
So what about the parts we ordered from Ladipo? Who is supposed to bring them back?
Shaggy.
And you, Shaggy. Huh? Shaggy, your mind is not here. Huh? Shaggy, how am I sure that this mechanic work is your call? Is it your destiny? You're always lost in thoughts, Shaggy.
No. Sorry, man.
Hey!
This one when madam just dey para the ginger. You sure say another thing never happened?
No one concern her. I don't even know wetin dey happen to her. Me, I won't go even tell her say I want travel.
Eh? You won't go tell her say you want travel? You sure say she go agree?
That will not concern me. Whether she agree or not, I go travel.
Anyways, there is no harm in trying. You go try on luck now.
This one way they talk say no harm in trying. You. This your line, I don't understand. Well, I go just tell us how they travel. Wish me luck.
Wish you luck.
Wish me luck now.
I wish you luck.
Ido, don't give me that bullshit. I paid for 3 gearbox. Why will you send only one? I don't get it. What about the shocks I paid for? Is it not supposed to be 8? How can I spend my money for nothing? Look, I'm giving you 48 hours to deliver my goods. What nonsense?
Madam, I beg, no vex. I want to discuss something with you.
Go ahead, please make it snappy. I don't have all day. Come on, will you stand up? And who asked you to sit?
Sorry, ma'am.
Come on, adjust the chair. Look at her. Speak.
Madam, I came to tell you that about my off.
And when is that supposed to be?
Madam, is this weekend and it's for 3 days.
Granted.
Ma?
You heard me. I said granted. What is it?
Thank you, ma.
Leave my presence.
Thank you, madam.
At once. Get out! Can you imagine? Can you imagine it, though? What's the meaning of this? Oh gosh.
Yeah, father, don't talk.
Did I not say something here? Did I not tell you she don't agree?
Are you serious?
She don't agree. Make her dey travel.
What did you tell her?
Forget wetin I tell her. I know wetin I tell her now.
So like this now for weekend now you will travel go villa.
Yes, so but I don't go stay long now. Just 3 days.
3 days. Now farm work you dey go do.
3 days no far now.
Foul.
Before you know it, I don't show.
And now if you dey go now. Now for people wey go miss you, Piro no go miss you.
Why you dey lie now? Why you dey lie? Now you go miss me fast. Now you, Piro. Now you go miss me fast. Talk through first. You don't miss me.
I will miss you now. Small madam,
yeah, I see the service your
Mensa.
Change your oil.
Mensa. Now go we dey like this. Wake up. We don't try.
The money don't expire.
You know say
Sorry.
we not supposed to wake you up normally because you don't settle us. We don't supposed to lose gas since, but we say based on logistics, say you don't write with us. That's why we dey wake you up. We want to go, and we won't use this medium. Tell you say you try. We enjoy you swisher. You enjoy every bit of it. Just say me will tell you say it was nice doing business with you. I want to see you again.
Yes.
Thank nice you. Doing business with you.
Yeah, I had fun and I always come back for more.
You sure?
Yeah.
You need to, because all these ties wey we give you no be for one day. We have to continue. Continuity.
I always call back, yeah?
You need to increase your pay based on the sweetness.
Money is not a problem.
Okay. They find my hook.
And I hope the next time, no CDs.
Okay. No CDs. That's a topic for another day.
So babe, tell me, do you like the food I made for you?
Let me ask you a question first. Was anything remaining in the plate?
Oh my goodness.
You know, sometimes I want to sometimes fail you cook better than my mom. Oh. No. Oh my God. Delicious meal, I must confess.
Thank you.
So, that reminds me. I'll be embarking on a trip early next week.
Oh, not again. Not again, babe. Not again. You know I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more. But not to worry. I'll be back in a jiffy. I mean, before you know it. I'm back.
I'm not happy, but safe trip when you go.
Not so soon. No safe trip yet. You know what? I'll sure come back and see you before I'm back on the trip.
Oh.
So don't miss me yet.
Oh, that's so good. Please do, because I'll be going to the village soon.
Village? For what? Hope all is well.
All is well, just to go see my family.
Family? That's okay. Come on. Ooh, miss you, baby.
Same here.
Mama, I'm coming.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see my friend. She is back.
Which of your friends? Because I know you are supposed to go to the workshop to be with your father.
I want to go and see Chacha, my friend. It's very important I see her, Mama.
Chacha?
Yes, Mama.
Which of your friends goes by the name Chacha that I don't know?
Mama, the one that gave me the money I added for your treatment.
Oh, one more.
Yes.
Izuku, is she the one?
Yes, Mama.
Ha! Okay. In that case, you have to go and see her. And if possible, invite her home so that we can show our appreciation to her.
Okay, Mama.
Yes,
she is, Mama.
You can go.
Okay,
close the door for me.
Okay, Mama. I will be back soon, Mama.
You have to because you still have to go to your father's workshop. He will be waiting for you there.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming.
Kasike,
Okay, Mama.
tell her your mother greeted her, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Oh, it's a woman.
You are looking so good.
It's not charity. From today, it's cha-cha, no more charity. I'm not a city girl.
Cha-cha. You are looking so fresh in less than 1 year you left to Lagos.
Yes, so my dear, it's the Lord's doing.
I can see
that.
that.
And you are not looking bad yourself.
I beg. I take God beg you, don't insult me. I take God beg you. No, where are you heading to?
Oh, I was actually going to your house.
My house? I'm going to yours.
What a coincidence. So let's go now.
Before that, you need to tell me what is going on. Give me gist about the city because my ear is aching to hear the gist. Please, let's go somewhere quiet and sit so you can gist.
I will tell you everything you need to do.
Can I go to my house?
Yes, so let's go and gist now. Hey, eat choke.
Hello, good day, Papa.
Hey, my friend, how you there?
Fine, though.
You came around?
Yes, I did.
How business?
Fine, we thank God.
Okay. What thing carry you come?
I think when carry me come to say, I won't make you fix my 2 tires for my car.
Okay. Look, What kind of car?
It's just ordinary range now.
Where are they?
He parked somewhere there now.
Okay. The thing be say, I know if you leave my shop to go fix some. Because my daughter know they here. Unless you go wait, go and come back, or wait until she comes.
Papa.
You know that the place where they know far.
I no go fit wait. I dey in a hurry. Time's against me.
Oh.
Sorry, I beg, make I dey go.
Hey! Monkey na adaka ewoli ike molo wait tie maku nisi. What is she doing at home? She's made me lose another customer. I'm not happy. Okay, let her go and come back. What kind of rubbish is this? Losing 2 customers. Eh? Hey. Adaka na monkey ewoli ike molo wait tie ma akunisi. Eh?
Ada, ne, don't you want to leave this village?
No. I haven't thought about that. But why do you ask?
If you're given the opportunity to leave this village, will you leave the village?
Of course, I will. But first, what do you do in the city?
I work in a mechanic shop in the city.
Really?
What?
Charity. You mechanic.
Charity.
Chacha! When did you learn how to repair cars?
I knew you were going to say that.
Yes.
It's a long story. Don't worry, with time you get to know everything. All right? If you're interested in leaving this village, I could take you along with me. You go and work in the mechanic workshop in the city. And you know, you're very, very good in repairs, Ada. Trust me. That's what you do here in the village with your father. So it's an added advantage for you. You go blow for city now.
You mean you want me to travel to the city with you? To go and start fixing cars?
Hey! Oh,
Yes.
thank you. I want you to travel with me. Or you don't want to go?
Why not? I want to go. Of course I want to go. I die in the city.
Yes, so.
Thank God, though.
Okay, so if you're serious and you want to go, Monday, I enjoy.
Monday,
move on.
Monday,
Yes.
Hey! See Adasi City, oh. See Adasi City. My parents will be so excited about this news. I can't wait to break it to them.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Shari. Thank you, Chacha. Chacha.
You and this charity. Talking about your parents, how is your mom?
She is fine now. All thanks to you.
You don't do now. I mean, that's really say thank you. Can I go and see her?
Of course. She's even expecting.
Yes! Let's go!
You're welcome, oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Mama, come, oh. Come, we have visitor. Very important visitor, Mama, come.
Hey! Indeed, we have a visitor.
Yes, Mama.
Greeting, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Ma.
What happened now?
Yes, oh.
Mama, you're welcome.
Mama, her name is Chacha. She's the one I was telling you about.
She's the
one that gave us that money we used to pay your hospital.
You told me already. Oh, Nemo. You're welcome, my daughter. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, ma.
My God will bless you.
Amen.
My God will increase you.
Amen.
He will really decorate your life for all the good things you did for me. You will not lack any good thing on one. Hey.
Mama, don't worry yourself now. She has been my friend for years and my very good friend for that matter. If she's in my position, she would do just the same for me.
I do.
Mama.
My daughter, sit down. Oh, let me bring something for you to eat.
Don't worry yourself. I ate before coming now.
I don't care. Even if you like, eat all the food in the world.
Yes.
You must eat from me. I was the one that told my daughter to bring you.
Very important.
Go to the kitchen. I've already warmed the soup.
With that cassava.
Get the soup and the fufu.
Yes, Mama.
Get water. I even have small drink.
Don't go anywhere. I'm coming back.
Even if it's water, anything, just be bringing it.
Okay, Mama. I'm coming. Don't go back everything. I'm coming.
So how is your parents?
You're fine, Ma. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, Ma, you're shining.
phone has been ringing.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Why didn't you pick the call? Why did you cut the call?
It's not important. And I can always call the person back later. Don't worry.
Oh, your phone is ringing again. Pick your call.
Don't worry. I'll just call the person.
Go ahead and pick it. Put it and speak out.
Call.
Speak out.
Hi, baby. Where are you? I have been waiting for you in this hotel for God knows how long. Now listen, if I don't see you in the next 30 minutes, just kiss this relationship. Goodbye.
I can explain this. I can explain this.
If you opened out your stupid mouth to call me babe again, you will not believe what I'll do to you. So this is it. This is what I'm getting from you. After all I've done for you. This is what I'm getting in return. You're very ungrateful. So this is who you are. Wow.
I'm so sorry. I'm so...
You know what?
Please, I can explain this. Please, believe me.
I'm done.
No, baby. My love, please.
I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Mama Julie, you know. It might be final. I see the service your motor. Top of oil. Mama Capanco. Come call give final. Money for handbag for good and
How are you, my girls?
We still.
As you can see, I'm fine. Just look at pretty. Look at how you people are looking.
Check me out now.
AGM now.
Everywhere sound.
AGM.
I'm gonna know.
What's up?
What's wrong with your car?
Oh, the car. I don't really know what is wrong with this car, but the car has been jerking.
Like
Jerking.
We go run now.
Move on.
Wait. Where is Shaggy?
Shaggy dey here now.
My personal person.
My chief.
How are you?
Chief, waiting the sun. Waiting they do the motor.
The car just developed some fault, and if I'm driving, the car will be jerking.
The jerk.
Yeah.
I'll walk now. They run out, man. Come, give me whisper.
I don't understand you.
Who you call the send message now? You don't proof.
Last when I no go learn work.
You don't work, pastor. You don't work, pastor.
Before I enter here, I don't understand. Chief Afa. Chief no take care of you.
See. I don't want to sit down today. I have an appointment to catch up with.
Chief, a couple of appointments. See, Chief, how you go see? No, man. Chief, how you go see babes? When Soji like us, gonna leave us, gonna go appointment. Who bought that appointment?
But you know,
that appointment don't pass.
But you know what I'm capable of doing. But for today,
Chief, just a fling with us. When you change oil, Chief, as I see you like this, you shrink. Come on, oil. Come.
I see the service your motor. Change your oil. Mama Julie.
Chief, Chief, are you not hot? Wait. Hey, you're not supposed to be hot when we are here. White beers are the sweetest. Chief. You know. No, I want to go from inside. I know what you like, baby. Come to mommy. Fish are never.
Shaggy. See, make I tell you on how these girls make Chief give them extra money and they don't show me love. You go pay me well, oh. Okay, we'll come you. Piro, no problem when I get, with how you they cap sometimes. Okay, as you see those girls now, and they like people get sense. I see them they jump, they do on top Chief body. If follow them they jump. You say now with you go talk this. Me, I no say now with you go talk this. You always talk spoil. I tell you say they go give me my own share. If you don't want collect, I go collect. Me, I know what thing that they do. No wahala. Make I see as those girls. Those girls we don't know how to talk to person will give you. How they will give you robbers? Now make I see. See this go one. Finish your work. Finish your work. She say you know what thing then no. No worry.
Chief, no. Chief. Hello, original. Original, not some lakey kind of shit. No,
Chief is enjoying.
You know what?
Let you do it. Wow. Whoa. Chief.
I'll have this. You can have this.
Chief, I am here. The only recognized chief.
Every other chief na counterfeit.
Chief, you see you. After you now you know the drug and
give it to me here, baby.
Your father. Chief.
Chief, when are you coming back?
You know what?
What?
When I'm done with my appointment,
okay.
I'm coming back to spoil you girls a little.
Hey, Chief, you see that word, a little? Me and they get problems. It's where they bomb me. I hate that word. Little.
Chief,
I like the word big. I'll say little.
You know why? Because all of us here we big.
Yes, nah.
In fact, you sit down here. Don't they make grandma? Don't they sleep? They draw like okra. You understand? We can't wait to have you back.
All right. I will come back and spoil you girls plenty.
Piano. Chief.
That reminds me. I've not seen Chacha since I came.
Chacha is on leave. She'll be back next week.
Yes.
Oh, that's all right.
Forget Chacha now. You are here for you.
Next week you said.
Yes.
All right. I have to go back and see if this boy has finished the car.
I like white there. I like them white.
Thank you, baby. Let me go now.
Please don't wait for the meeting to be over, okay?
No problem.
We'll be waiting.
You know what I'm capable of doing.
I'm gonna take care of you.
Baby, I'm coming back.
I'm going to be a team.
No, now when I come back.
Chief. My cat. See free money. Money where they don't suffer.
This man, my girl, just small touch. He emptied his pocket.
$200 they cry for her.
Mogu fall. Guy man work.
I didn't test you.
Just small thing any touching. I demand they drop dollars.
See, Martin, this man don't come.
I say no.
How you take no? Not me they there. Not me they run am. You see, you're not supposed to give me $100 each because let me do the work. Let me go down. Let me go down below. I go down below.
Where I work. And this is Piro.
Oh, Chacha, now if you want to introduce me well now. Wait till they play. See one. Let me be Piro. Piro asa. See with the tight, with the loose. Anything where you want, I will give you.
You don't do.
In case you want to change your oil, I dey again.
I don't mind now. And this is Shaggy. These are the hot chicks.
Now we
the baddest chicks in town.
Now we dey here.
Tasha, Love It, and Chantal.
Peace out.
And this is my friend Ada.
She came from the village, and yeah, she's gonna work here with us. She's very, very fantastic, good at repairs. And her father owns a shop in the village.
Nice to meet you all.
That's why her hands are very strong.
And what is going on here? What is going on here?
Madam, go! Madam, don't last.
Good morning. I said, what is going on here?
We did okay.
Very well then. Go back to your various duties. It's too early for gossips.
When don't talk, Madam, don't talk. Get busy, Madam, make you.
And when you head this, you get back there. Get back there. What has come over you? Have you lost it?
This madam.
Oh, no, even know where I go. Madam, do good.
This man go work. Go repair. Repair with. Madam, wait till they spoil happiness. Which kind of man did that? Don't worry, I hate it all here.
Madam is a joy killer.
Oh yeah. Wow.
See, madam. See. Even the ones who don't get that.
Mumu. Let me get introduced you to our madam, eh?
See, Chacha, you go still carry this.
Leave me alone. Don't talk to me.
You carry and come. Oh, we know how to do it.
One thing they vex me is, you know, even carry better person. Because na mechanic, you carry come mechanic.